Letter to world leaders. I am reading this letter for the respected global leaders. You are on the top of guiding your country and, if needed, helping other countries. Present time, the world is facing a disputed subject. I, Amar Chatterjee, understand your strength. I invite the total leaders of the whole world to discuss the problem arises out of the war. It is a matter of complete discussion. All leaders should insist for an amicable solution to solve the problem. All leaders have long outstanding knowledge how to settle the problem. All the leaders of Russia, China, America, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, France, Italy, Germany, UK, Holland, and all leaders of Arabian countries, Asian countries, and others, please come forward to discuss the matter. Definitely you can find some solution. Let all join their mind for a great cause. It is a critical diplomacy. Let the matter be handled carefully. I firmly believe joint effort will come to solve the purpose. It will not go in vain. Respected repeated attempt to solve the matter and joint effort will give a solution. All will get a result. Join your hands today. Come closer to each other. Discuss frankly to settle the issue. Man-made problem should be solved by man. World is looking on you. Who will come forward? The time and the future is calling you. Soldiers and common citizens are human beings. They are dying. Please save them. All of you, leader of leaders, take initiative to close the dispute. Finally, you will win the race. Please do not stay back. Bright time is at a little second distance. Touch each other's mind. Be energetic and compromise for the sake of amicable solution. Take all leaders to in confidence for success. Remove all the difficulties to favorable solution. Do not remain any more separate with separate idea. You be the voice of cooperation and invite coordination from other leaders. Matter is difficult. Your effort will make comfortable subject. You are genius. That is why you have reached to your position. Use your skill and talent to solve the matter. Think for the solution. This is time to involve your good self to discuss the matter with others. Whole world is waiting for amicable solution. Today is not the age of war. Think how to end the tragedy of war. Affected people, they are suffering. They have lost their properties made in life. No more they want to suffer. They are crying. Give them relief. This is a big job to try to solve the problem. You are big leaders, so it is your obligation to take the responsibility to solve the matter. Give your idea to others to join hands to this point. At this point, forget past events. No time to blame and counter blame. All will see positive aspect on humanitarian ground. It is already late to voice on this issue. No more delay. Better to have a kindful mind to solve the problem. Negotiation is only solution of this problem. Let all the leaders come to negotiation table. Discuss together amicably. Solve the problem. By virtue of conscience, it is a definite. The matter should be solved by negotiation and compromise. Please come to negotiation table. Discuss together for a acceptable settlement. In any case, the matter should not be left as it is going. You are glorious leaders. Think something for betterment of the situation. Fulfill your unwritten honest obligation. You are great, your greatness, show your greatness. I appeal to your greatness to understand a problem arises, needs proper solution. Oh great leaders, time is calling you to respond with duty and sympathy. Use experience to settle the matter. You know how to solve the difficult issue. I solicit your favor, thanking you in anticipation of your cooperation to solve the issue. Sincerely yours, I am Amod Chatterjee, citizen of India, son of late Sri Bilas Bihari Chatterjee. My email number amarchatterjee1949@gmail.com, phone 8527780155. Thank you and expecting your favor solution.